Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my January cleaning task. The 4 places in my home that I am going to be cleaning, decluttering, decorating and reorganizing for this month of January. I'm going to give you tips on how you can slowly break down that process so it doesn't stress you out. Number 1, your laundry basket. For some people it's the laundry room, but for me it's the laundry basket. Now I don't know about you, but like my laundry basket, like sometimes you just can't see the color of the laundry basket. My laundry basket is full. Now the tip to tackling large laundry is basically taking out a week where every single day you wash clothes. Like seriously take out 7 days where you don't miss a wash. I actually did this last year and it really worked. Like the laundry basket got really low. This month of January I am tackling myself and bringing it down really low, so that the next couple of months it sets me up really good and I feel like I have like a hold of my washing. And also a tip for ironing, you're gonna have a pile of clothes also that you need to iron. Basically just take out 30 minutes of your day. Seriously, 30 minutes, don't tackle it all. 30 minutes of your day, even if sometimes 15 minutes, trust me, you can get it done. I am surprised of how much ironing I can get done within 30 minutes. Number 2, cleaning your fridge. Now, the tip I have with cleaning your fridge, right? Don't be like, oh, I'm going to clean the whole fridge today. No, you don't need to do that. Last year, I had baby number 5 last year in April. And like, I couldn't find time to basically like do certain things because I had a baby. Basically what I did was I cleaned the fridge slowly. So I clean a bit of the fridge today, like the lower part of the fridge. Next day I clean the middle part of the fridge, and then the third day I clean the rest of the fridge basically because there's only a little bit left. Like I broke the process of cleaning the fridge slowly, and I'm telling you guys, it seriously worked. Number three is your bedroom, you guys. Now, your bedroom is that place where you go and relax and rest, obviously, and sleep, right? Why not declutter that place? Take out things that's unnecessary. I've been watching a lot of like decorate and like declutter like bedroom decor videos on YouTube, and like I'm telling you guys, the before and after, right? Yeah, it's so nice. It's like there was so much stuff on the wall, pictures. Obviously there were lovely pictures of family and stuff, but then when you declutter it all, the room is like, oh my goodness, it's not even my house, but I'm like, you know, I want to, can I have your room? Can I have your room, please? Like seriously, last year I decorated my bedroom, decluttered it, moved things around. I don't think I purchased a lot of things. I know I didn't purchase a lot of things. I think I purchased 1 or 2 things to basically decorate the room, and I will bringing you guys a video on that. Number 4, the next place that I want you to tackle is the living room as well. The living room again is a place where you can rest, relax and eat. Why not organize a place, declutter things that you feel like are not satisfying the living room, and also decorate. Last year during Black Friday sales, I got some cushions, you guys, for the sofas. Cushions, basically £2 each from Matalan, and they're just a starter. I'm gonna get more cushions, mainly pink. I am also decorating the living room, but when I say I'm decorating it, I feel like I need to get a couple of shelves. I feel like this wall needs something, okay? It needs something. And I'm going to bring you guys a decorate video very, very soon. I feel like decorating your space I feel like reevaluating your space and seeing things that satisfy you, things that don't satisfy you, is a really, really perfect way. I am looking forward to decorating, I'm looking forward to decluttering, looking forward to taking down some Christmas decorations. But when I'm making this video, it's still 2019. Today's what? Today's the 29th. Oh my goodness, on Boxing Day I was like, we need to take down these Christmas decorations, like they need to go down. I was so excited about Christmas, but then afterwards it's like, why are they still up? Like, but at the same time I was really excited about grabbing Christmas decorations on sale. Weird person. Don't forget, I'm bringing a lot of decorating videos everywhere. If I wasn't going to decorate the bathroom, like my downstairs bathroom, but I'm decorating the bathroom downstairs. I'm heading off to B&M, but hopefully what I want to get in B&M is still there. Hopefully. I was just waiting for payday. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget, I'm coming back on Friday for that sale haul. I got a bunch of stuff on sale. Bargains. You know I love a bargain. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and Happy New Year.